Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use gamma in Minecraft. Gamma is a crucial setting that controls the overall brightness of your game world. By adjusting this value, you can significantly improve visibility in very dark areas, such as deep caves or during the darkest parts of the night. This can give you a clear advantage, helping you spot mobs or navigate treacherous terrain without needing extra light sources. It's a simple yet powerful way to customize your visual experience. To begin, you need to locate your Minecraft installation folder. This is typically found in your user's application data directory. Inside, you will find the essential Minecraft folder. Within this folder, look for a file named options.txt. This plain text file holds many of your game's configurable settings, including the gamma value we are looking to modify. Finding this file is the first key step to enhancing your game's brightness. Once you have found the options.txt file, open it using any standard text editor like Notepad. Scroll through the file until you find the line that begins with gamma 1, 0. The 1.0 represents the default brightness setting. To make your game brighter, simply change this number to a higher value. A common and effective adjustment is to set it to 10.0 for a noticeable increase in visibility. Remember to be precise with your entry. After you have modified the gamma value in the options.txt file, it is crucial to save your changes before closing the text editor. Next, launch your Minecraft game as you normally would. To observe the effect of your new gamma setting, make sure to test it in a dark environment. Head into a deep cave or wait until nighttime in your world. You should immediately notice a significant increase in visibility, making previously dark areas much clearer to see. Enjoy your brighter world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.